Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, this is a very good trade. You can see on top there $140 with just $14,000. We've made $140. Okay, so this was a buy signal and we left it for hours. Okay, let me show you where we entered this trade. Let me just zoom out a little. Let me show you where we entered that trade. This is the 1 hour time frame. You can see this is where we entered it. And for hours it has been buying. Let me switch to 1 day. You can see we did not only leave it for 1 day, we left it for days to run. So you can see we offer account management, VIP signals, and one of the advice I will give you, is don't trade in the marketplace. We don't trade a place where it's noisy. We don't place where you don't want to be placed. This strategy which I used for this is one of the best strategy in the world. So follow us, stay tuned, don't skip any part of it, just stay tuned. We are going to send the settings for the strategy. We're going to send the settings on the last part of the video, so make sure you don't skip any part of the video so that you're going to understand how it works. So at the time of recording, we used 1 day, and the 1 day was on a buy signal. You can see it here. It was in a buy signal, and we've made a lot of money from it already. A lot of money from it already. You can see it. Using a small lot size, we made this amount of money with just $14,000. Okay, so we do account flipping, massive flipping. We do trading. We also do mentorship. We have our bot, our robot, if in case you want to get one, is available. So you can see I'm going to leave this already a big account, so I'm going to leave it and make some explanation. So let me go over to the 1 minute time frame. Now on the 1 minute time frame, for you to place a successful trade using this strategy, first of all you have to check your zoom level. Most of you have zoom levels like this, but this is not the zoom level we are using. You zoom out complete. This is the complete zoom out. Then you zoom in. Make sure you drag your screen up to this F sign, the F sign on top, this F sign here. Make sure this line here, this one, is at the middle of it. Okay, make sure it's at the middle. So when you do that, then you zoom in 1. You can use this is the first zoom level. You can use this, or you use the second zoom level, which is this. Okay, which shows you exactly how the trade is. You can see we have levels here, which is the 90, 50 and 10. This is always take profit 1. You can add level 30 or level 70 if you want. For those of you who does not want to leave your trade for that long, you can add this. So looking at this account now, this is volatility 10, but I will use volatility 50 S1 to show you guys some few things. So we'll go over to volatility 51S. Okay, So you can see the market is ascending bit by bit. The market is ascending bit by bit. But then when you go over to the 1 hour, okay, sorry, we'll be using 15 minutes since our time is almost there. You can see at the 15 minutes there was a reversal and the market has been elevating since then. You can see the market has been elevating since then. So we'll zoom out complete to see, to get the clear view of the market. So this market is a sell market, and as much as it has elevated up to this place, this is a sell position. Okay, so at the time of recording this video, this is a sell position, but then of course you know the market can never be straight. So let's go over to the 5 minutes time frame. We'll check it on the 5 minutes time frame. You can see that in 5 minutes the market has been trying to sell. You can see that it has been trying to sell. So what we'll do is we'll switch now to 30 minutes to confirm. Okay, you can see, we'll zoom out complete so that you can see it. You can see that it's a sell position. You can see it. This is what it's going to do. This is what it's going to do. Okay, so this is a sell position already. This is a sell position. So if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, comment in the comment section about one of the best strategies that we have sent to you guys this year. Okay, send it. The link to my WhatsApp and my Telegram channel will be in the description below for you to join in. All will be in the description below for you to join in. So if you want to join, is open for every single person. It's open for everybody. So if you want to join, make sure you join. Okay, make sure you join and do it to like, subscribe and share with your loved ones. Okay, so the trade is still running here. We just left it to be running, as we will close it in a bit. Okay, so on the 30 minutes is a sell position, but then always check your time. Always check your time before you go into that trade. So join this signal group. Okay, Telegram had to give us maybe use a trace Wi-Fi to have to bring down our Telegram. Okay, because there was a signal, there was a problem we were having with our network providers. So but currently now the market is, we've gotten it back and we just created the group. So make sure you join. It's a free signal group. Okay, so before you place your trades, you see how I made open of where to place your trades. Okay, so that is how you check the market trend. You can see all these are sell position. That is the market trend. Okay, so you just check it out. And you can see this market is on its sale on the 1 minute. You can see for yourself. Okay, so the settings that I'm using for this video is very easy. If you pay attention to it, it's very easy. So this is the settings. I'm using the moving average on my main chart, relative strength index on indicator in the 1, and MACD. They are very easy. So on my parameter, the period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to exclude, style is 3 pixels of red, and on the parameter of the relative strength index, so I have the period to be 14, apply to exclude, style is 1 pixel, and on the levels I have 90, 10 and 50. You can add level 30 and you can add level 70 also. So on the MACD, we have fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 1, apply to exclude, main is 2 pixels of green, and signal is 4 pixels of red. Okay, so guys, one thing you have to know is we flipped this account from $14,000 to $154,000, which is so amazing. so amazing. You can see it for yourself. We didn't open too much positions. You can see it for yourself. Okay, this one's started running before we placed these ones. So this is a very massive opportunity. So if you want us to flip your account, you can come. We'll do the account flipping for you. We're going to flip the account very well for you. And that is it, guys, for this video. So if you haven't already, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.